Hey kids, today we're going to go on a field trip and we are going to visit 3 different ecosystems in the world, and I'm really excited about these because I think they're so neat. So we're going to discover kinds of animals that live there and what it looks like and what their habitat is like. So the first place we're going to go to is the Great Barrier Reef, and it's right here off the coast of Australia, and it's actually so big that you can see it from outer space, which I think is really cool. So we're going to go down and take a closer look, and we're going to measure it to see how long it is exactly, because I mean, it's huge and it's just fun. So it's this right here, so we're going to grab our ruler and let's see just how long it is. It starts down here and we're going to click and drag all the way up. We're going to change this to miles, and actually what we're going to do is click and drag that, and with that plus a little bit here, it adds up to be about 1,000 miles long, which is like really long. And there's a ton of fish and sea turtles and things that live there. So let's go take a closer look and see what it looks like. What do you guys think the Great Barrier Reef looks like underwater? We are going to go and take a look now, and let's see if you guys thought right. And we're going to go to the ocean. This place is, and it actually does not work on that one, so I'm going to drag this over. But this is called Lady Elliot Island, and it's part of the Great Barrier Reef. If you can see all the fish that are down here and all the coral that they live in. We'll also go underwater. There's like a stingray, and we'll go back another one to Heron Island. And this gives us a better view of the fish, and there's some sea turtles. Oh, look at that one. What else do you guys notice? I think the sea turtles are probably my favorite part of this. I think it's really neat. People also go scuba diving here. It's a very, very popular tourist attraction, which means people come from all over the world to see it. So now I'm going to show you a video of people, of a tourist who goes there and has a look around. And because of technical difficulties and time, I'm not going to show that right now, but that's what I would do for my assignment. And then afterwards, just talk about what they saw and what they liked and things like that. Alright kids, so now we're going to go and check out the savanna ecosystem. And to see that, we're going to go over to Africa. So here we go, we're going to fly over there. And what kind of animals do you think live in the savanna? Yeah, they're like elephants and giraffes, and we're going to take a closer look in what the savanna actually looks like. So if you look around, you can see like it's pretty flat. There's some trees and a little river here, but it's a good place for animals to live, to hunt, and things like that. And I also have a video to show as well. And also because of technical problems on this computer and time, I won't show that. But kids, what kind of animals did you see there? Is it the kind of animals that you thought would be there? How is it different from the coral reef? Okay, and then the last place we're going to go to is the tropical rainforest. And that, to visit there, we're going to go over to South America. And the rainforest is also different. How do you guys think it's different? Yeah, it rains a lot more, and it's a lot more green than the savanna is. And there's big rivers, and the animals there are different as well. Let's take a look through some pictures to see kind of what it looks like. There's some locals, I think, and tourists can come and take planes over and look over the rainforest. You can see there's lots of trees and greenery. Big rivers and things. So what kind of animals do you guys think live here? Let's go. I have a website that we're going to go to check it out. And unfortunately we don't have time to look through it all, but here is a website that has a list of all the rainforest animals that there are. So there's alligators, amphibians, which are like frogs and lizards. There's snakes like anacondas. It's the biggest snake in the world. There's lots of different insects and bugs. There's apes and monkeys. Chimpanzees. And this tells about a lot of the animals, and if you want to, you can come back to this website later and look through it. There's a cool toucan bird. Those are always really fun. What kind of animal do you like the best that you would find in the rainforest? Have you seen one? Alright, and I have a video about the animals of the rainforest as well. But of course, we're not going to watch that at this time either. And afterwards, I just ask, like, what did you guys think of the animals, and how are they different from the animals that we saw in the savanna and in the coral reef? So what ecosystem was your guys' favorite one? I personally like the Great Barrier Reef the best because I just am fascinated with underwater culture, and I love sea turtles and fish, and I would hope to someday go and scuba dive as well. Like, I think that would be really neat, but all of them have, you know, good things about them. So I also love elephants, and so the savanna, it would be the place to find those. And I also love monkeys, so going to the rainforest would be the best place to see those as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed this virtual field trip, and I'll see you later.